Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy iron on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online marketplace that gives product to directly to consumer from China, and it provides a 90 days return policy. So here we have to come to temu.com, and here I will directly search for iron. Okay, so here we can see iron. So here I'm going with this iron, I can see at $5.24. Okay, so here we have iron. Okay, so basically this iron states the cloth that are shrink. Okay, so here we can see, so it have a good quality, and you can see many reviews. So items have 5 review with overall of 4.8 stars. If we scroll down, we can see the description of the product. So this product states the clothes like this. You can see you have to heat and you can just state them like this. Okay, using this. So basically this is the iron. Okay, and Temu gives you a shopping security and a free delivery, and you have the other options like your express delivery. So to buy this product you have to click on add to cart button, then from there you have to click to buy button, and then follow the instruction to make the purchase. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the Temu app to save money. Thank you for watching.